In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a video into Krita. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to File, top left, and from here you want to click on Import Video Animation. Whenever you do this, you want to click on this button over here next to Video File, and you want to find your video that you want to import. So I have this one, which is a tutorial of mine I just recorded, so I can click on it and click on Open. Now it's going to tell you that the video you're trying to import has a lot of frames, and the maximum is this amount over here. So what you can do to actually avoid this is simply just kind of shorten the video. Okay, so there's kind of the maximum limit you can do. So I'm just going to basically change this. I'm going to start at, let's just do like 70 seconds, and duration is going to be from 70 to 74 seconds, which is going to of course lower the amount of frames, and then I should be good, or at least better off. So of course you can do this. It's a bit of a hassle, but you can achieve it. You can actually go ahead and do it like that. So you can then change the FPS, you can skip intervals if you want to, and then change sensitivity and import into, etc. Okay, I'm just gonna click on OK over here. It's gonna start importing depending on how long your video is. It's going to take like a few seconds, up to maybe like a minute or maybe even more. And there we go, your video is gonna get imported in here. However, right now it's still only a thumbnail. So what you want to do, you want to go either into settings and then enable this docker called animation timeline to actually see the animation timeline, or you could also go to window and then open the workspace called animation. Now this will open the timeline, and if of course you wait for this to actually process, you can now play this, and it's actually, whenever that's done, going to play your video just as you can see over here on my screen. Now there's not really much movement because it was the end of my video when I was doing the outro, but that's essentially how to do it. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.